Spanish latte.
Ice or hot?
Hot. Ay, wait. Do you have matcha?
Yes, matcha na.
This one, matcha.
Yes.
Hot.
Hot.
Yes.
We have 2 sizes for hot. Hot or 12.
12 rupees.
Anything else ba?
Very good.
Yun lang. Name yun lang po.
Larry.
Net.
Larry.
280 pesos po. Yours is fresh.
Ito lang yung ano yung pastry.
Yes.
Sige, I'll get this one.
Almond croissant. One almond croissant. Card payment po.
Ikotas muna tayo. At Arabica. Yeah. We have stamp card here. Ang dagdag. Okay. Tissue. Arabica, look like I have matcha and the croissant almond. Yeah. Let's eat this. Oh, let's taste this matcha. Let's eat it. Matcha here. This is hot. Hot matcha. And we'll try this. Ganito. Kasi may ice cream. I need to this one. Buti na lang siya ako. Just need to have this matcha. And croissant, of course, na. Before we leave. Mukhang matatagal ito mag-open. Okay, so mag-open. Let's eat. Matcha here. This is hot. Hot matcha. And we'll try this croissant. Wala ba akong ganito? Dapat pa. As if may ice cream. I think I need to just bite. Buti na lang busog ako. So, I just need to have this matcha. And croissant or snack before we leave. Mukhang matatagal. Outside, waiting for the border to open. Siguro mga 7 pa yan. Let's wait here. Tambay muna tayo dito. Let's wait here. And the gentlemen are still there. Wala pa rin tayo nabibili dyan. And the fountain! Look at that. Look at the fountain. Wala na. And the astronaut. Ay. Idas. Ito pala sa kabila. Punta tayo dito. Wala kayong CNY?
Wala.
Never nagkaroon?
Never kami nagkaroon dito.
At never
Selected
magkakaroon?
branch lang po yung meron. Para sa selected branch na yun, mabilis mo
Oo nga. Wala kayong, ito na ground floor na.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I like the bag. This bag. I want the bag. Oh my God, ang cute. Oh my God, please. Shopping ka bigla. What's this? Ay, my God. 3-4. 3-4.